Welcome to ExtremeGingerCamping.com. Today we're going to sleep out here. I've got my uncle. Come back. What are you doing? I've got my Uncle Keith's jacket borrowed. Pair of toasty gloves from Home Bargains. 4 cans of special brew, a bagel, sausage roll, and some of them rainbow drops. They like Rice Krispies, but coloured. So, wish me luck, lads. See you on the other side. Said it was going to be cold. Didn't think it'd be this bloody cold. I'm going to be camping down here. Right, I'm going to make me shelter and then get bedded in for the night. I couldn't be bothered to make a shelter, so I found this tree. I'm just going to hunker down here for the night. I've had 1 tenant super and about 2/3 of my bagel. Right, see you in the morning. Remember, stay warm, stay safe. Well, what a brilliant night's sleep. Easy as pie. Speaking of pies, time to stop off on the way home, get a pie. Right, that was extreme winter camping. Wasn't very comfortable. Got a kicking hangover. I think a sheep pissed on me, but you got to do what you got to do, haven't you? Till next time. Well, that's us done. I'm reunited with the beast. She's thirsty, so I'm going to get her a little cup of hot petrol soup. Warm her up inside. Anyway, glad we made it. Stay safe. Stay camp. Not camp. Keep camping.